Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about technology and inventions as well as their impacts on today's life. Have you ever heard of this proverb, necessity is the mother of invention? Yes, if there is any necessity, automatically the new inventions will be made. So if there is any need, that is, if there is any requirement, we invent new things. And these things help us to make our life more comfortable. Also, it changes the world slowly. For example, bicycle, television, mobiles, computers, etc. In earlier days, people used to walk for going from one place to another. But now we are using two-wheelers, four-wheelers, etc. So these are inventions. So what do you mean by technology? Technology is the application of science which leads to inventions. So the applying of science leads to inventions. Due to this, the inventions are improved or developed. Examples: in the earlier days, we used to wait for a long time to get and send letters through postal service. But now we can send and receive emails within a second with the help of internet. By this, the way we communicate has changed. So we have seen many advantages. Likewise, technology also has more disadvantages. How a coin have two sides, the inventions also have two sides, that is advantages as well as disadvantages. For example, mobiles. In earlier days, we used to communicate with other people directly and we had a good relationship. But now it is very easy to communicate with a person at the other end of the world. But we do not even talk to the person sitting next to us. So this is not good for a society. To have a clear picture, let's see four common inventions, their advantages as well as disadvantages. First is plastic. Children, if we look around, we have many things made up of plastic around us. In your school, in your home, around your room, wherever it may be, we are using plastics in more. For example, glasses, plates, box, spoons, soap cases, etc. What are the advantages? Plastic things are very cheap and they are easily available. Plastic things are more durable. That is, it can be used for long period of time. And things made up of plastic are colorful and attractive. And also they can be made in a large quantity. And they are light in weight. So it will be very easy to handle them. Unfortunately, we have disadvantages also. What are they? So once we are using things, we used to dispose, right? But the disposal of plastic waste is very harmful for the earth. While we burn these plastic things, it gives out poisonous gases that pollute the environment, and so it is very harmful for all living beings. And the second invention we are going to see is machines. Like plastics, machines are also used regularly in our life. For example, vacuum cleaner, washing machine, refrigerator, etc. So let's see the advantages. They work very faster and help us to save our time. It also make our work easier. And we can do work in machines for long hours. Here also we have some disadvantages. What are they? All the machines which we are using are made in factories. These factories give out smoke which is very harmful and results in air pollution. And the chemicals thrown out as the waste materials from factories causes water, soil and air pollution. So, working on various machines may also lead to major accidents. So, these are the disadvantages of machines. The next invention we are going to see is buildings. Buildings are strong structures used for living. Let's see the advantages. Advantages of buildings are they provide us shelter. That is, they protect us and our belongings from rain, sun, etc. And also, these buildings protect us from heat, cold, as well as from animals. But there are some disadvantages also. What are they? These leads to deforestation, that is cutting of forest to make place for buildings. So in order to make buildings, people cut the trees. And this deforestation leads to loss of plants and forest. And this disturbs the life and property of many other living beings. And also it results in soil erosion as well as global warming. And the last invention we are going to see is television. Television is a machine in which we watch programs. What are the advantages? Television gives us the latest information happening around us. And we get important news immediately. Then it helps in education part also. And it is a good source of entertainment. And what are the disadvantages? Watching too much of television may cause eyesight problems. So it affects us physically. And some programs are not suitable for children. And watching too much of television distracts the person and also affects their sleeping pattern. Your sleeping time will be changed and also your focus will be distracted. So these are the disadvantages. So in this video we have discussed the advantages and disadvantages of some inventions. Thank you.